What are you guys get for that?
3.283.
3.283. 284? 283. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
3.283.
Wait, no. Just kidding.
No, Jeff, it's 7. All right. We have a rogue entry. So then Z star, this is awesome. Now, see
T
this?
star. T star.
Well, T star. Again, I just call it freaking Z, just in general. So your star, how do you go back? This is beautiful. That's why section 10.4 shouldn't be where it is. It's not really 2 samples, it's 1. We just see how it changed. So there really is 1 sample of people, and then we see how they change. And that's how we measure the change. You just take the difference. Ooh, right? So it's our old formula. It's this one thing, right? Minus what?
6.
No. Where do I always get that from? The claim. I'm fighting to show that the difference is positive. I'm fighting to show that it's different from 0. If it was 0, that would mean there was no change, right? So I want to compare what I found, the amount of change I found, to 0. And that's where I always got mu from, isn't it? I always looked back here in the old days when we had 1 sample, right? Like at least 4 days ago. Minus 0 over the square, over 3.283. It's almost too easy to believe now. It's 2 point something. 2.84.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
I got 2.84.
Alright, that's freaky.
Yeah.
That was,
2.84.
yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's right. Did that in my head. So did we make it far enough away? How far did we have to make it? 3.35. You only made it to 2.84. Now I really want you to understand what just happened. I don't know if anybody had any preconceived notion of this, but look at the differences there. Everybody increased. Everybody. Except that one guy. That one guy, you never know what happened to him. He fell over and hit his head or something. I don't know. Right? But do you understand? It seems like this should have worked. But my sample size is so damn small, right? So that automatically affects the weight of my evidence. So that's I got 2.84, but it had to be this far away. It's not enough evidence that this actually would have an effect on anybody who took the course, which is what I'm trying to say here. Right? So we
have not
failed to reject the null. Failed to support the high. Wow. Which one was the claim? No, which one was the claim? The high. So therefore I want to use the support, the failed support, because that was the claim. So we have not found sufficient evidence to support the claim that my workshop increases people's grades. Right? So I can't say that in my commercial. I could just say, for 5 out of 6 people, it helped. Right? 3 out of 4 dentists. That 4th dentist is just weird. So that's section 10.4. Section 10.4 is just like early part of chapter 9. It's just that you have to first make your data that you're using. That's all. That's the only real difference. And we're back to nice small formulas and stuff in section 10.4. Almost too good to believe. So on the practice test that I gave you guys, everybody got a practice test?
Yeah. Except for 1 person.
3. 4. 5. Okay. You guys are multiplying. Yeah. So that on the practice test number 7 is just like the one we just did, right? I took people, put them through a new exercise and diet regimen. Trying to use that word regimen. I don't think I've ever written that word regimen. I had to look it up when I wrote it and say, is that right? All right. So on Tuesday, I'll have the answer key for this.
When do you have the feedback?
Oh, when I ask for it. If I don't ask for it, don't worry about it. Yeah.
May I have one? I don't know where mine went, honestly.
What? Okay. Wow. Record-breaking loss.